So it's only a few days remaining to the SPS show this year. Iconics will be exhibiting in hall number 5, booth 160, next to Microsoft, SAP and the IPC Foundation. As a Microsoft Partner of the Year in manufacturing, this move into the new software hall underlines our deep partnership with Microsoft. As a highlight of this year's showcase, we're going to present an Alexa integration with a robot. On top of this, we can move this robot with an Apple smartwatch mobile HMI application. As a new stand design, a new stand concept we will have this year, we're going to have 5 partners at the booth. It's K&H, Robotina, RTS, Gundlach and Realwear. So the question is, what we are going to show and present our customers, partners and interested parties. We will showcase as the main focus the digital twin with Microsoft. We're going to present this on a holographic machine interface, an HMI, on HoloLens and Realwear. This is a never-seen interpretation of an HMI. This use case will be used in maintenance, commissioning, operation and training. Another focus will be smart software solutions for intelligent buildings and productions, a native connection to Azure IoT Hub and the new services for Azure Digital Twin. The software is device neutral and combines IT and OT in real time. The technology leader Iconics can support you with your software initiatives. Our motto is, make the invisible visible. Our CEO Russell Gruser and his team are looking forward to welcome you in Nuremberg. See you at SPS show. Bye bye.